yokwendera kwira na magega kwa magendero yoko Roseri wa Chipara chirami ime yechibunge chionsi ime county ya Nyamira ukwana nabariki bamangana maya omubasorero ase chinsemo cha Nyangware ime yegwadi ya kiama nyurensemo yebunge ya Burabu Chief Principal ya Riokindo Gerald Orina uyo ukorwanirira kurigia oburai bwebunge bose bwebunge ase nsemo yebunge yo ya Burabu nigo ateberenga nonyena ase nsemo yebunge ya Burabu nigo Chipara chinyinge chiabere chigosareka mono kubwatikana n'oburai obwo butari oboronge bureko bwatia.
Development is one thing, especially in Nyamira County, both constituencies. There is no any road project, tarmac road project that is going on at the moment. Lakini wako enda chinsemo chinde okonyara Chipara chikorosiwa. So the road network in Burabu and also in other constituencies in Nyamira, they are wanting ntuanya serikali ya so nturara paranyia. So our leaders need to do more. Talents chia bana baitu is also a challenge. Nobody is supporting them. Ntubugati school, ntubugati team jigo chiesa national league athletics tuwarenge none askisi community n'abantu twakoraki abantu tuwarenga bakongusana asamangana athletics rero konyora athlete yamo bose babire iri rero tuwarenga iga senator na nyora senator Kibaso High School na ikibakaine na Chinche igabona bona natwarari yanda sana ese asabantu be Chinche kiyagera ya chali nere ya bororo echo ega corrupts abantu bane bagasira igo asa abantu balia asiki family kiri cyanyara ko konyora no gwakoko na iri libageri koteba nga kuba pore yane ya bene na inde kubolia chinchini ya chaito ekero project yako koruye skuru chinchini cyarigererira baliri go sineri kongulire construction yera nyare go korwa bagaidi the contractor such that intonyora amakwe kabira yugo kimutwe igo chinchini cyaitu cye county na bontagete ko tebanga ekere project yo korubato korro bakora feasibility study isaine erinde liyo ntonyora ya chali muneri yabete